Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for honest reviews on the latest gadgets and accessories.
Today, we're diving into the world of audio excellence with the best car speaker wire gauge available in the market, the InstallLink 14-gauge speaker wire.
Now, before we delve deeper into why this speaker wire is a game changer, let's talk about why speaker wire gauge matters. Speaker wire gauge essentially refers to the thickness of the wire. And why does that matter? Well, thicker wires, like the 14-gauge wire we have here, offer lower resistance, which means more power can flow through them, resulting in clearer sound with minimal loss of quality. Enter the InstallLink 14-gauge speaker wire. Crafted with precision and designed for performance, this speaker wire is your ticket to audio nirvana. Let's talk about what sets this speaker wire apart. First off, it's constructed from high-grade copper and aluminum, providing exceptional conductivity while keeping costs in check.
But what really impressed us is its soft flex jacket. Not only does it offer maximum durability, but it also ensures easy installation, even in tight spaces.
Customers rave about the amazing flexibility of this wire, making it incredibly easy to work with. Plus, its color-coded design allows for easy polarity identification, saving you time during setup.
Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the price. At just $19.99 for a 100-foot spool, this speaker wire offers unbeatable value for money.
Whether you're setting up a home theater system, upgrading your car audio, or even outfitting your RV with top-notch sound, the InstallLink 14-gauge speaker wire has got you covered. So, if you're ready to take your audio experience to the next level, look no further than the InstallLink 14-gauge speaker wire.
Don't forget to check the link in the description below to get your hands on this must-have accessory. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth product analyses. Until next time, happy listening.